How to download Amazon Kindle. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, simply search for Kindle. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it again. So make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Amazon Mobile LLC. Now here on the bottom you can see this install button. Simply tap on install. So it will take some time. What is Kindle? Kindle is a phone book. Here you'll be able to read different books, and here there are different customization, and it makes reading more easy and convenient. So as you can see, it's getting installed and you're all set now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.